Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Hey there guys! In this video, I'll be revealing a groundbreaking technique that allows you to effortlessly earn between $1,000 and $3,000 in passive income by simply copying and pasting in complicated images. No work is required on your part, and there's absolutely no selling, referrals, affiliate programs, followers, or even the need for any social media accounts. This method I'm about to unveil is completely fresh and hasn't been shared with you before. It's incredibly straightforward yet highly effective, just like my previous videos. Best of all, it won't cost you a single penny. The best part is that this method is available worldwide, regardless of the country you're from. Before we dive into the video, I'm genuinely curious about the countries you guys are watching from. Please leave a comment below stating your location so I can better understand the diversity of my viewers. Make sure to stick around till the very end because I'll be sharing some secret tips and tricks to potentially double or even triple your online income. Alright, let's kick off this video by heading over to Google. Once you're there, simply search for the keyword cute animals and navigate to the image section of Google. You'll find a plethora of adorable animal images to work with. And we're going to leverage these adorable animal pictures to generate substantial online income using a website that I'll introduce to you later in this video. Keep this tab open as we'll revisit it shortly. However, it's crucial that you follow each and every step meticulously to ensure you're implementing this method correctly. Skipping ahead to the end might cause you to overlook vital instructions, potentially resulting in zero earnings and wasted time. So, pay close attention to every second of this video to ensure you're on track to earning that satisfying income. Now, let's proceed to the website I want you to visit right away. It's called Teespring, and you can easily access it by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and typing in teespring.com. This website is completely free and designed for ordinary individuals like you and me to create e-commerce products for sale online. Don't worry, what we'll be doing today isn't overly complicated. All you have to do is copy and paste images, then upload them on teespring.com. The platform will automatically assist you in printing those designs onto various apparel items, including t-shirts and more. Right here, you can see some examples of t-shirt designs as well. It's incredibly straightforward. You can simply copy and paste designs, and Teespring will take care of printing the t-shirts for you. Let's take a look at these examples here. One shirt is priced at $21, another at $22, and the third at $20. On Teespring.com, you'll find countless designs available for sale. Now, these are just a few instances of the diverse product options you can sell using your designs on Teespring. The underlying concept behind Teespring is known as print-on-demand. Essentially, Teespring handles the entire process of printing, manufacturing, and creating various t-shirts with different designs. Additionally, they take care of shipping the products worldwide. This means that you can effortlessly own your own online store right here on Teespring.com, and they handle all the logistics for you. All you need to do is provide them with the designs, which you can easily copy and paste. So here's what you need to do to sell your products on Teespring. First, create unique and appealing designs. Then, set up your own customized store instantly and for free on Teespring. This initial step involves crafting cool designs and establishing your dedicated store on the Teespring platform. And the best thing is that you don't have to pay anything at all. Don't worry, because I will demonstrate exactly how you can begin designing these products using either your computer or your phone. It's as simple as copying and pasting images. This way, you can start making money with Teespring. Make sure to stay tuned. To begin designing your product, all you need to do is click on the Start Designing button located here. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to a sign up page where you can register using your Facebook, Google, or YouTube account. However, if you prefer not to use your social media accounts, you can also register with your email by providing the necessary information in this section. Here's a quick suggestion. You can actually create a new dummy email account specifically for registering on this website. This is because some websites, like this one, often send promotional materials to your email, which might clutter your inbox and cause you to miss important emails. Personally, I use a dummy email and I recommend that you do the same. Once you have successfully created your brand new account, which is absolutely free, you will be directed to this dashboard. Your next step is to navigate to the left side of the page and locate this link right here labeled Create. Once you click on it, you will be directed to another webpage where you will find a variety of options for designing different products. This website offers a wide range of products to choose from, and I suggest you select something that captures your interest. However, for the purpose of this video, I will be designing a t-shirt, so I'll click on this specific option here. You will then be taken to the editor, and it will resemble something like this. But before we begin designing our t-shirt, I want you to switch back to the Google tab where you search for images of adorable animals. Feel free to choose any animal that you find cute. In this video, I opted for a picture of a lion since lions have a significant following worldwide, myself included. Now your task is to upload an image. Simply click on the Add Image button displayed here and upload your selected photo. Once you have successfully uploaded the photo, you can freely adjust its position to your preference and adjust its size as long as it fits within this designated box. Additionally, you can choose the color of your t-shirt. Currently, it is set to black, but if you click on the plus button here, you will be presented with a range of other color options to select from. Feel free to choose the color that complements your image. You can also use these buttons here to preview how your product will appear with different color variations. Next, you need to set the price for your product. By default, the price is set at $26.99, and for each sale, you will earn $10. However, please note that you will not receive the full $26.99, as Teespring will handle the promotion, production, and shipping of your product. They will deduct a portion from your sales as their fee. Once you are satisfied with the design and pricing, simply click on Continue. This will give you the option to sell other types of apparel, such as hoodies and tank tops, featuring the same design as your t-shirt. This is an excellent opportunity to expand your passive income sources by offering a variety of products. That concludes step number 1, which is the creation process. Moving on to step number 2, you will share your product, connect your social media accounts, and promote your launch, and share your products with your community. Essentially, for step number 2, you will share your products with your friends, family, neighbors, or even on your social media accounts to increase the chances of people purchasing your product. However, I will now reveal an amazing method to effortlessly generate a large number of product sales. But before we proceed with this video, I'd like to inform you that we regularly upload more videos on this channel. Our goal is to assist you in learning how to generate a steady online income directly into your PayPal account. I invest considerable effort into creating these videos to ensure their effectiveness, so I kindly request you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Now let's continue with the video. One of the simplest ways to promote your product is by targeting a specific group of individuals who would be interested in it. In our case, since our product features a lion design, we will utilize Facebook groups that cater to lion lovers. As you can observe here, there are numerous groups dedicated to lion enthusiasts, and you can join any of these groups. Share your product with them, considering their genuine interest and love for lion. As a result, they are more likely to be inclined towards purchasing your product. With a targeted audience already in place, all that's left for you to do is attract more people to buy your product. Then you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the steady stream of passive income. This concludes the video. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace!